In this video, we will start with presenting the new Pinpoint Booking System and how to set up the availability and booking types for days and nights calendars. In the first part, we will set up a calendar with days using the default availability and custom availability. From the start, when we create a new calendar, it is set up with the default availability set to available. In the calendar preview, you can see how changing the settings will affect the calendar. In this case, we can change the price to 200 and set up the number available to 5, and you can see the days changing with the new settings. Now we will set up a custom availability where we will change the price from 200 to 222 and set up the number available to 4. In the availability period, we will select when the new availability will appear in the calendar. We will filter to show the next months. And select a whole week in December for the custom availability and select to set the availability on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday for the months of January and February. You can see in the calendar preview that now the days we have selected have been updated with a new price and availability. The calendar now has multiple booking types to choose from. This will help the calendar fit your business needs. The booking types for a day's calendar are the following. Single day, only way day can be selected in the calendar. Multiple consecutive days, the clients have to select a start date or an end date. Multiple non-consecutive days, users can select the exact dates they want to book. Setting up the night's calendars, it's the same as the day's calendars. From the start, the default availability is set to available, and we will set a price of 200 and the number available to 5. When setting the custom availability, we will set the price of 400 and number available to 4. We will also set up, so the days are going to be grouped together. When setting the availability period, we will filter to show all the month in 2022 and 2023 and select from the pricker to set it only in the weekends of the next 3 months. Now you can see in the calendar preview that the weekends have been set with the new availability and grouped can be selected with one click. The same as the day's calendar, this type of calendar has the following booking types. Single day, only way day can be selected in the calendar. Multiple consecutive days, the clients have to select a start date or an end date. Multiple non-consecutive days, users can select the exact dates they want to book. In the next part, we will go over the calendar setting and booking steps that can be set up. We are going to set up the calendar name and label rooms and set up the description. This is a calendar with the rooms of the hotel. In the Date and Time tab, we can set up the time zone, starting day and date format. For the time zone, we are going to set it to GMT +1 Paris, and the starting date is Saturday. In the calendar preview, you can see being updated with a new starting date and also the date format. In the Currency and Price tab, we will change currency in euros, and the currency symbol we will place it on the right. Also, there is an option to hide the price in the calendar. Customizing the text can be done in the calendar setting, and we will configure so instead of saying available, we will rename it to rooms. And if the date is booked, it will say occupied. For the time period text, we will set it up as arrival and departure, and instead of number of items we will set it to number of rooms. Another new feature of the calendar are booking steps, and we are going to set up amenities in the calendar. We will enable step 1 and name it amenities. After that we will add 2 interactive extensions from the amenities group, parking and Wi-Fi. In the calendar preview you can see a new step called Amenities, and after selecting a date you can select the options to add them to the reservation. The last part is the summary section of the administration area. There are many settings that the calendar was in multiple tabs, and you might get lost where to find them. So in the summary you can view all the settings and extensions that are applied to the calendar. If you want to change a setting, you can go directly from there. For example, if we want to change the starting day, you can click on the arrow on the right of the section, and it will take you to edit the option. Thanks for watching. For more information about Pinpoint Booking System and its features, please check the links in the description.